Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store. So right here I'm gonna search for Call of Duty, and as you can see there's no game that we can download. And now to make it visible we'll need to go back, press on our profile icon and move to the settings, family, parental controls. And from here there's actually two ways you can change that. First one is to disable parental controls, and here you'll need to enter the PIN and then press OK. Second way, press on apps and games, enter your PIN, click OK, and increase PEGI to at least PEGI 16 or any higher, then press save. Go back, search for Call of Duty again, and click install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.